So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can get this sweet date WordPress dating theme in just $4 and how you can install it in your website. So you will get lifetime update with this theme. So if you are purchasing it from us, then we will purchase you lifetime update with it. So no need to worry. So I'm gonna purchase this and I will install it in my website. Now you see this, it's done. Now you got two files. The first one is the main theme file and the second one is the child theme file. To download both of this. Now we're gonna activate this theme. Upload theme, choose files. Activate. You can directly install child theme also without manually installing it. If you have the main theme, then you can just install child theme and all the required plugins. It will take some time. It will install all of this. Mm, Done. All the plugins are installed and activated. Now if possible I will trim this video because it will be longer. I have to keep this video short. Now you see this, it's done. You have to customize it. Let me just go to dashboard. You see this theme is there. Now from here you can just customize it according to you. You see this, all the features are there. So hopefully this video is helpful for you. If this is, just give it a like and please subscribe my channel.